for your UPSC preparation, 4 steps for in your UPSC journey are very important. Now, before I talk about these 4 steps, so you all know that every UPSC aspirant has 24 hours, and at the same time, every UPSC aspirant is working hard. But some of the aspirant are able to clear the prelims cutoff and some not. So this is because most students or most aspirant neglect these 4 steps for UPSC, or you can say in their UPSC preparation. So these 4 steps are not, you can say they are not any secret. Everyone know it, but the problem is that every aspirant overlooked it. Now these 4 steps are: number 1, first of all you have to fix your sources, or I can say book list. So the here challenge is most of the student used to fluctuate between multiple sources. Key means we have to study so and so books for these subject. For example, for history, you select 2, 3 or 4 sources. So don't do that. Clear? Take any 1 or 2 sources. Okay, so that is sufficient. So you have to fix your book list or fix your sources that you have to study. Second is timing. So when I am saying timing, so I am not talking about discipline. Basically, I am talking about that you have to or you must know the time to prepare for mains and the time to prepare for prelims. So ideally, if you see the time from May, June to October, November is for your mains. So this is a time period that you have to utilize for your mains preparation. Either it is your optional or general studies, or you can say essay also. And from December onwards, or you can say December, January onwards, you have to prepare for your prelims. So ultimately, this is what is important. So I have seen many students that when they have to prepare for mains, they are preparing for prelims. Clear? So don't commit such mistakes. Clear? It's very simple, because if you prepare for prelims in the month of, you can say, May, June to November, December, so by the time you again prepare for it, so you will get bored. Clear? So this is what you must split your time for mains and prelims. Third, your syllabus and PYQ. So in my, you can say, past 10 years of teaching experience, I have seen many students that they don't touch syllabus and PYQ. So when I am saying don't touch, it means they only refer it once or twice. So it should be done continuously. So these syllabus and previous year questions are similar to your, you can say, GPS, or you can say UPSC GPS. So they should be in your pocket, or they should be handy. Okay. And the fourth step is that you have to follow is with respect to your revisions. So you need a proper revisions. So I have already made one video that how to do an effective or how to make an effective revision plan. So ultimately, you can see that for your revision strategy. So these 4 steps you have to follow. So as in the beginning, I told you that these 4 steps are not, you can say, not any kind of secret. Everyone know it. Okay, the problem is that some aspirants follow it strictly, but some overlooked it. So don't commit such mistakes.